Hello everyone, welcome back to Good Shower Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Call of Duty Warzone 2.0 or 2 is having failed to update playlist error, which is happening for many of the users, and how we can fix it. So let's dive into it. So if you're for the first time, when you're having this issue, just restart the game, which is the first and basic step which you have to do. For that, just go over here, close everything, exit from the game. Once you're done with that, just close the Steam as well. If you close like this is not the way how you have to do it. Just go over here at the top, right click and go for exit. Once you're done with exiting the Steam as well, then relaunch the Steam. Then once you're done with this, try to play the game and see whether you're able to fix the issue or not. Moving to the next one is all about, you have to check the internet connection. As you can see over here, I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. So I have to make sure that I'm having a good internet connection, or else I'll be having a lot of trouble. So it is very important as well. I have to make sure that I should be having the Wi-Fi as well as internet connections are working good, or else for many of the users, due to this particular error, they're having this issue. So it is very important. We should not be neglecting anything. We should go for everything. Next step is all about, we have to run the game as an administrator. For that, you just have to click over here and go over here, and from here we have to navigate to local files. I'll be showing you that. So this is very important as well. Also, we can go via here, like going to the file explorer, but we can navigate to it from here itself. For that, we just have to click over here. Now from here, go to properties. Now go to local file, click on browse. So this will take you to where the game is installed. Now from here, you just have to scroll down and you have to select the main application folder, which is COD over here. Right click and go to show more options and go to properties, or you can directly go from here, right click, and there is an option called run as administrator. You can go for in this way, or else you can select the respective one, go to show more options and go to properties, go to compatibility, and over here you have to make sure this run this program as an administrator should be checked. If it is unchecked, check it, and once it is done, just go for OK, then try to play the game. Next one is all about, we have to check for COD updates. For that, we just have to go over here. We have to click on update and we have to check whether we are going through any kind of update or we have to update it. Or else what we have to do is we just have to make sure, right click over here, go to properties, go to updates, and over here, as you can see, you just have to click over here and make sure that is always keep this game updated and only update this game when I launch it, as well as high priority. Any one of these things you should be set into, always keep this game updated. So game will be up to date, so you don't have to keep on updating and all those things. All you have to do is just have to check whether the game is updated over here or not. Next one is all about, we have to allow game to Windows security. For that, we just have to go over here. Now from here, we just have to search for Windows, we have to search for control panel. So here I haven't searched, so I'll go for control panel. Click on this. Now from here, go to Windows Defender Firewall. Now from here, click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now from here, we just have to scroll down, and what we have to do is just have to navigate to Modern Warfare. So from here, you have to check whether the Modern Warfare is already added. Most probably it will be added. So once it is added, make sure both the buttons should be checked, and once it is done, just close everything, try to play the game, and most probably they should be completely fixed. And this is what you have to do when you're having an issue with Modern Warfare 2 or 2.0 update playlist error, and how you can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.